Hey, what's up, everybody? Guess what? 3-valve Wednesday. I know a lot of you love it. Today I have an 08 GT automatic 93 octane with one of our most popular packages. We're going to watch a dyno pull. We have the NOVI 2200 Brenspeed turnkey supercharger package, Detroit rocker cams, headers, all the goodness right there. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. Let's check out the engine compartment. Let's talk about the mods. Let's watch that dyno pull. All right, so what goodness is under the hood of this 3-valve automatic transmission Mustang to lay down over 500 rural horsepower, which we're going to check out in a second. We have our NOVI 2200 supercharger package. It's the polished version. Doug, come down, take a look. I'm going to talk about the mods. We have the NOVI 2200. It's polished. We have the Ford Performance throttle body. What is in our NOVI 2200 package? Hey, you can put this on a stock engine. You get Ford Performance 39-pound fuel injectors, you get a Kinney Belt booster pump, Polar spark plugs, as well as an SCT tuner with the proper calibration. Now, we also have a set of our nice Lopey Detroit rocker camshafts. I know y'all love those, as well as a set of BBK long tube headers, and something else that's on this car right here, which we're not running on the dyno today. It's some meth injection. So let's say once you get on all the mods on the car, you're kind of looking for what's something else I can do. I do some highway rips. I want to get on the highway. I just really want to make as much power as possible. I like meth injection because it dropped those IATs a little bit, even despite this is already an intercooled supercharger. So if you wonder what something like this costs to get installed, you can simply email quote@brenspeed.com. I know I'm talking a lot about all the parts on this. Check that description. As always, I'll put links to everything you can click on. But first, check out this dyno pull. All right, here we have it. This is killer, automatic, Dynojet SAE. Doug, take a look. 536 rural horsepower, peaking at 6,500 RPM. Torque comes in at an absolute perfect 440 rural torque, peaking at 5,000 RPM. Now, some of you new to this channel might be watching this and you're like, oh my God, that is too much. Don't worry, I'm gonna put a link at the end of this video. Just stick around, click on it. I'm gonna tell you how much is too much horsepower, how much is too much torque on your stock 3-valve Mustang. But right here, this is a killer setup. Doug, one more look at this. So this is an 08 GT automatic California special. Hey, check this out. Pretty heavy wheels. Those normally will lower your real horsepower a little bit. You might have seen my other videos talking about that. So I was really pumped that this thing made over 500 of the tires. So, you know, if you have any questions, you can leave a comment. We'd be happy to answer if you have a 3-valve Mustang, as well as you can check out quote@brenspeed.com, send that email and say, hey, what's it cost to build my Mustang, my F-150, maybe my Coyote? And as always, just watch all these other videos because I have GT350s, Mustangs, some brand X vehicles. You never know what you're going to see. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching.